How to sign out of Netflix on iPhone or iPad. So if you want to sign out of your Netflix on iPhone or iPad, then first you just need to open up your Netflix application. So make sure you have a stable internet connection and open up your Netflix, and then you need to sign into your account on your Netflix. Once you've signed into your account, select whichever account that you wish to log in for, and you'll be taken to the home page. So once you're here on the home page, in order to log out or sign out of your Netflix, you need to click on the profile icon once again, which is on the upper right hand side corner of your screen. And after that, you'll be taken to the page. You can see right at the bottom, you will have an option of sign out. So just simply tap on sign out and again tap on sign out for the confirmation. Once you tap on sign out, you'll be signed out of your Netflix. So that's how you can sign out of your Netflix on your iPhone or iPad. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.